Uh, Hi, my name is Wilson Tovar. I am from Villavicencio Meta. At this moment, I study University UNAT English course B1 plus. Also, I am teaching in philosophy in a big school here in Villavicencio. I really enjoy a lot this topic, so that's why I showed this topic to teach you to present better. I think. Um, but this time I'm gonna speak about rationalism, and rationalism is what they say about politic. So first, what is rationalism? Rationalism is uh, we conceive, we understand, we know the world by our brain, by our thoughts, by our ideas. That's that. For example, empirism, they say that we know the world by our experience, but rationalism say no, just by our thoughts, by our ideas. Okay, but this time I'm gonna speak about politics. Um, One of those politics is Thomas Hobbes, and Thomas Hobbes, in the first time he said, "Humans are like wolf." Why? Because we kill each other. There are a lot of hunger around the world. There are illnesses in that kind. So he says, okay, humans are really not good person. So we need to make a contract. We need to sign up something to fulfill. Everybody have to make some commitments to live at peace. Uh, so we give the power to a person. Uh, he govern the territory, right? But it's really important to say something. After this guy, people believe that God gives the power to that person, to the governor. But from that guy, that from this philosopher says no, the power comes from population, right? So let's continue. The next guy is John Locke. John Locke, at the contrary, he says everybody is a good person. Everybody behaves good, but at the same times, uh, when we grow up, uh, there are some people that are really not good person. They can rob people. So we need to create a contract and to make the territory safe for everybody and create some commitments. But this guy says we need to divide the state in three branches. That's really amazing for him, right? We continue with Montesquieu. In Montesquieu is gonna say the same like John Locke. We need to divide the state in three branches, and we need to reinforce the law. You know, because in this way, okay, everybody know how to behave in that state. If you don't behave well, you go to the jail because you are interrupting. You are not doing well in this state, and you disturb the peace from other people. We continue, and the last one is Jean Jacques Rousseau. Jean Rousseau is a French guy. He developed a political philosophy. He says a really good sentence. All humans, when they are born, they are really good person. They're really great people. But after a while, when we grow up, when we go to society, we corrupt ourselves and we corrupt others. But he says finally, but we can't keep like in our house just avoiding people, just avoiding contact. No, you can't. So the same, the other philosopher, we need to create a contract. In this contract, we make commitments to uh, to know how to behave, to respect the rules, to know what is happening. Those guys that we met today, they're really important for philosophy and especially about politics because they created the way as we see politics in this moment. Because after those guys, after those philosophers, there were kings or something like that, emperors, and there were a lot of different behaviors, such a war more. So we tend to those guys because we create a really good society, a democratic society. So this is the topic that I wanted to introduce, to present. I hope you enjoy very very a lot this topic, and I did because I really love philosophy, and this is my course for 10th grade. So I take advantage or took advantage to present it this time in English. So thank you very much. See you later.